Lezi indaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli bukela inazi ezinohlonze emininjeni.
I think the costs could be enormous. I think that we have had many steps taken against South Africa. I think sometimes we forget that PEPFAR has ended.
Elasemelika selithola ukugxekwa njengoba liqhubeka nomthethosivivinywa okuhlose ngawo ukufaka unswinyo kubaholi abathile be-ANC ngenxa yobudlelwane babo namazwe ayizitha zayo iMelika.
Another challenge that we need to address is at the local government level, how we are able to improve our local government sphere.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uhola uhlelo lwekhabhinethi lokubheka ukusebenza kohulumeni wesifundazwe kanye nomasipala eNorthern Cape.
Our presence in Khayelitsha is also a political statement that development must not be a privilege of Camps Bay or Stellenbosch, but must reach the forgotten corners of this country.
I-Economic Freedom Fighters ithi konke sekumngomumo njengoba ke izosingatha umgubho weminyaka eyi-12 yasungula kusasa enkundleni yaseKhayelitsha eCape Flats.
It's not going to be an easy game. We played Ghana our first game and we won against them, but I think that's the past now.
Kanti kwezemidlalo iBanyana izobhekana neGhana emidlalweni wokubanga indondo yethusi ke namhlanje ebusuku emqhudelwaneni we-AFCON oqhubekayo eMorocco. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala ezingunqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili la ku-SABC 1 eMzansi for sure kanjalo ke na ku-SABC Lihaye. Igama lami nginguDaud Phungula. Buya ngokuba munco ubudlelwane phakathi kweNingizimu Afrika neMelika njengoba ilungu lama-Republican uRonnie Jackson ephakamisa umthethosivivinywa ohlose ukubukeza ubudlelwane phakathi kwalamazwe omabili. Lo mthethosivivinywa ubukwa ke njengengxenye yemizamo yokunika umengameli waseMelika uDonald Trump amasu adingekayo ukuze answinge izikhulu zikahulumeni wakuleli kanye ne-ANC ngezitolo zokuthi zikhetha ukweseka amazwe ayizitha zeMelika.
U.S.-South Africa Bilateral Relations Review Act will provide the President and the Secretary of State with the tools needed to conduct a full review of the U.S.-South Africa bilateral relationship and determine whether South Africa has engaged in activities that undermine United States national security or foreign policy interest.
Kubukeka sengathi busazoshuba ubudlelwane phakathi kwePitoli kanye neWashington DC. Lokhu kuza njengoba iMelika iqhubeka nomthethosivivinywa ongase uguqule ukusebenzisana phakathi kwalamazwe omabili. Obeyinxusa lakuleli yeMelika uIbrahim Rasool uxwayisa ngokuthi uma ungaphasiswa lo mthethosivivinywa ungashaya kuzwele kwezomnotho.
I think it is a big deal. I think the costs could be enormous. I think that we have had many steps taken against South Africa. I think sometimes we forget that PEPFAR has ended. Sometimes we forget that all the USAID money that came to South Africa was ended, that we've been punished through the world.
Okuhloswe ngawo ukuthi uhulumeni waseMelika acubungule ubudlelwane baleli yazwe nelakuleli kanti izikhulu ze-ANC zingase zibhekane nonswinyo uma kutholakala ukuthi zicheme namazwe ayizitha zeMelika.
We've got to look at the interest of the entire geopolitical environment. Yeah. We've got to ensure that we don't get bullied, as the President has rightly said, because if we allow that, and part of what Comrade Ibrahim Rasool highlighted, we need to make sure that we continue to be steadfast in that same tone of Nelson Mandela, that you are not going to dictate to us who our friends should be.
Okwamanje lo mthethosivivinywa usuphasiswe yikomiti elibhekeleza amazwe angaphandle eMelika kanti ke kusazofanele udlule ezigabeni ezimbalwa ngaphambi kokuthi ucikicwe umengameli waseMelika uDonald Trump.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uqhuba uhlelo lwekhabhinethi lakhe lokuhambela izifundazwe ezahlukene ngenhloso yokuhlola izinga lomsebenzi kohulumeni bezifundazwe kanye nasezingeni lomasipala. Umengameli Ramaphosa kanye nongqongqoshe bekhabhinethi njengamanje bahlangene ke nobuholi besifundazwe eNorthern Cape esithangamini esiqhubeka enyuvesi iSolplaatje eKimberley.
Ekuvuleni kwakhe lenguyazana nohulumeni wase-Northern Cape uMengameli Ramaphosa uthe ufuna kukhulunywe kugxilwe kulokho okuyizinselele egqamile ebhekene nemikhandlu kanye nomasipala besifundazwe. Okuvezwe ngumcwaningi mabhuku kumbiko wakhe uthole ukuthi omasipala abaningi eNorthern Cape abakwazi ukulawula kahle ukusetshenziswa kwemali. Ingaphezu kuka-3 billion amarandi imali esetshenziswe budlapha ngomasipala esigabeni sika-2023 no-2024 eNorthern Cape.
Another challenge that we need to address is at the local government level, how we are able to improve our local government sphere. And we can also find ways and must find ways of ensuring that this province is able to move up to a higher level when it comes to tourism.
Ngaphandle kokudonsa kanzima komasipala besifundazwe, uMengameli Ramaphosa utuse iNorthern Cape njengesifundazwe athe siseqhulwini ngokohlelo logesi ohlanzekile onganukubiza imvelo nokuyilona eselikhuthazwa kakhulu emhlabeni jikelele.
The province's green hydrogen master plan is ambitious in both scope and potential, not just for the Northern Cape but for the national economy as well.
Isifundazwe sinesibalo sabantu abalinganiselwa ngaphezulu kancane kwesigidi. Izinga lokwentuleka kwamathuba omsebenzi ngokunye kweyinselele egubuzele kakhulu intsha yalapha eNorthern Cape.
Umholi we-EFF uJulius Malema uthi-ke iqembu lakhe lizoqinisekisa ukuthi liyoqala ngokushesha umsebenzi walo ikomiti lesikhashana elizophenya ngezinsolo ezavezwa ngukhomishana wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. uMalema bekhuluma nabezindaba eKapa njengoba-ke iqembu lakhe lizobe libungaza iminyaka eyi-12 kule mpelasonto.
I-EFF selokhu yiqembu lihamba phambili ekunxuseni ukuba leli komiti lizophenya ngensolo emaphoyiseni liqale uphenyo. Leli qembu lithi lizothumela umholi walo ukuba beyingxenye yakho konke.
We are a committee that will make the necessary recommendations to the assembly, and the assembly will send, if agreed, those recommendations to the president for implementation. And every time he comes here, he will have to account as to what happened to those ad hoc committee recommendations that were sent. It's going to be a full-time job. It's going to be a everyday job. And the parties that are sending people there, for a change, we must be prepared to work even on weekends. We have an emergency to deal with. We cannot prolong this issue of police anymore.
Malema ongeze ngokuthi bafuna ukubungaza abalandeli babo basekhaya elitsha abame nalo kusukela ekusungulweni kwali iqembu.
Our presence in Khayelitsha is also a political statement that development must not be a privilege of Camps Bay or Stellenbosch, but must reach the forgotten corners of this country.
I-EFF ithi silungisile indawo engasisingatha abantu abayizinkulungwane eziyishumi kanti futhi ibheke ukuba igcwale. Kusenjalo okokuqala nqale liqembu libungaza iminyaka eselinayo lasungulwa eWestern Cape.
Undunankulu waKwaZulu-Natal uThamindo lusethembise ngokuthi uzobhekana nezinsolo zenkohlakalo nokukhwabanisa ezibhekiswe kwabengameli iminyango emibili kulesa sifundazwe. Amaqembu kafuna kumiso wengamele ezempilo uNomagugu Simelane kanye nowengamele ezemfundo uSipho Hlomuka ngenxa yalezi zinsolo.
Abengamele iminyango emibili kahulumeni wesifundazwe kwaZulu-Natal bazithole bebhekene nezinsolo zokungasiphathi ngendlela efanele. Owengamele umnyango wezemfundo uSipho Hlomuka ubhekene nezinsolo zokugxamukela ohlelweni lokukhipha ithenda yohlelo lokuhlinzeka ngokudla esikoleni zikahulumeni esifundazweni. Kanti uNomagugu Simelane owengamele ezempilo naye iphinde wasolwa ngenkohlakalo ethinta ibhizinisi lomndeni kusolwa ukuthi lenze uhwebo nohulumeni wesifundazwe. Undunankulu waKwaZulu-Natal uthi uzobhekana nalezi nsolo.
There are serious allegations which require a prompt action. As a result, I've written to the two MECs so that they respond to the allegations. Then when I receive their responses, I will then take an appropriate action.
uNtuli usebhalele uHlomuka noSimelane ukuze baziphendulele njengoba amaqembu ezombusazwe esonga nangokudlulisela lolu daba ehovisini lomvikeli womphakathi.
I will take appropriate action as soon as I receive the report, but everyone is free to submit any information to any institution that is relevant to address any information.
uNtuli uphethe ngelithi uzothatha izinyathelo ezifanele ngemuva kokuthola incazelo evela kulaba ababhekene nezinsolo.
Inkantolo yemantshi yaseRustenburg iyaqhubeka nokulalela isicelo sikaTiffany Meek nosolwa ngokubulala indodana yakhe ebeneminyaka eyi-10 uJayden Lee Meek.
Njengoba ummeli kaMeek eqhubeka nokupheka ngembuzo ufakazi wombuso nongumphenyi wecala kukhona ukushayisana kobufakazi obethulwe ufakazi wombuso ophambilini.
Delivered on the same day.
Yes. At that stage, was the applicant arrested for murder, sir?
No.
So again, you are trying to mislead or avoid answering the question. What date was that memorandum handed to the station, sir?
I think it was the 17th of May.
Of May. The accused was arrested on the 11th of July.
Yes.
So it will be safe to say that when that memorandum and whatever petition with 1 million signatures was handed to you, the applicant, the memorandum did not have anything to do with the opposition of bail for this applicant. Correct?
But it suggests so.
Ummeli kaMeek uyachitha ukuthi amalungu omphakathi awahambisani nokuthi umsolwa adedelwe ngebheyili njengokusho komphenyi wecala nowathi uMeek uphephile uma engaphakathi esitokisini.
And today there's probably 50 people outside. Or 100, 1,000. But they only started coming in their numbers when the court asked for this. So you see how the public outcry is influenced by social media activists and TikTok activists. And so if the court didn't ask for a petition, it never existed.
Icala liyaqhubeka.
Bukele sisathi ku ezitolo kanti uma sibuya sizophathela uWT.
What one can say is that it's a follow-up as a result of attempted murder cash in transit for G4S in KwaZulu-Natal on the 14th of July this month.
Amaphoyisa adubulabulala abasola abahlanu abanindeke ezigamekweni zokudunwa kwemoto ethwala imali eCrown Mines eGoli. Bukela sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi elasemelika selithole ukugxekwa njengoba ke liqhubeka nomthethosivivinyo okuhlose ngawo ukufaka unswinyo kubaholi abathile beANC ngenxa yobudlelwane babo namazwe ayizithazayo iMelika. Bukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzozithola ngomjalo bazo. Amaphoyisa adubulabulala abasola abahlanu abanindeka esigamekweni sokuduna kwemoto ethwala imali eCrown Mines eGoli. Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa eGauteng uLieutenant General Tommy Mthombeni uthi laba bebethungathwa ngamaphoyisa kwaZulu-Natal ngemva kwesigameko esenzeka kulesi sifundazwe.
What one can say is that it's a follow-up as a result of attempted murder cash in transit for G4S in KwaZulu-Natal on the 14th of July this month, where the G4S motor vehicle was bombed. So based on that, the team from KwaZulu-Natal, as I've mentioned them, they were following that information, linking with our team in India. And of course, they coordinated with the TRT, or Technical Response Team from KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng. And as a result of the intelligence information for our counter, they managed to follow them here. As I have indicated that these suspects, they were also linked, or they are also sort of involved in some crime scene in Gauteng. And hence, the shooting ensued in here, and police retaliated, and we had
this fatality, or we thwarted 5 of them, of which we recovered 1 AK-47 and a revolver for now.
Imeya yaseGoli uData Morero ehambisana namaphoyisa kanye nomnyango wezasekhaya bagasela emjondolo yaseWitkoppen Road eGoli emkhankasweni wokuqinisekisa ukulandelwa kwemithetho yalo masipala kanye nokuqeda ubugebengu.
Imeya yaseGoli uData Morero uthi bacekele phansi leyo mjondolo engahlali umuntu okusola ukuthi abanikazi bayo badabuka eLesotho.
There's a lot of shacks inside here that are now unoccupied, but they have owners. You'd find that 10 of them are owned by one Lesotho national. So we are removing all those that are empty and unoccupied as the first stage. The second stage is to isolate South African citizens, but we know how many are there. They've already been profiled, and part of the work is to find them space.
Sekuboshwe abantu abayishumi abatholakala bengenamaphepha abagunyaza ukuba kuleli.
We're able to arrest about over 15 of the undocumented and illegal immigrants who are here. Mostly you find the Lesotho nationals, Mozambicans, and on the other side you find Malawans.
Ukhale kakhulu ke ngobugebengu obenzeka kule ndawo njengoba bethole nabadayisa izidakamizwa.
There's a lot of criminal activity happening. We have identified one house or shack where there's been drug activity selling, so the police were able to apprehend and arrest the individual, and they did find some of the substances.
Imeya ithi ekuhambeni kwesikhathi abafuna ukuthi kuphinde kube nemjondolo kule ndawo.
Isikhungo iCity Power siphinde sanikela ke eThepisong sihambisana nezinhlaka zomthetho besihlome ezizingovolo kuyoqashula amakhebula ogesi njengoba ke lesi sikhungo sikhala ngokuthi abantu bakule ndawo abawukhokhela ugesi bawudla busende. Isimo ke sike saba manzonzo izolo njengoba umphakathi ogcina ujikijela amaphoyisa ngamatshe kanti wona abesephendula ke ngezinhlamvu zenjoloba.
Isimo ke sithanda ukuba manzonzo la kule ndawo yaseThepisong njengoba ubona ke isebenzi zeCity Power ziphethe ke amakhebula ekagesi kanti ke zibuya ke ukuyowaqhaqha kwezinye indawo la eThepisong. Uzokhumbula ukuthi ke izolo bebekhona futhi ke bezocima ugesi ke kwabakhona ke ukubhekana ngesiqu zamehlo phakathi kwamaphoyisa kanye ke nomphakathi wakule ndawo ke amaphoyisa agcine ke ebadubula ke ebafuqa ngeinhlamvu zenjoloba kanti ke abantu ke bona bebejikijela ke ngamatshe ke bephindisela njengoba ubona ke uqhabi ekukhombisa embukele ekhaya le moto ke yakwa City Power iyona ke moto esetshenziselwa ke ukuthi ke kuzogqatshulwa ke amakhebula la kule ndawo njengoba ke iCity Power ibishilo ukuthi ke inenkinga yokuthi ke abantu bakule ndawo ke bafake ke ugesi noma baxhume ugesi ngokungomthetho. Isimo ke esithanda ukuba manzonzo njengoba ke uwabona amalungu embokode bomvu ahlome ke azingovolo kule ndawo ke alinde nje ke ukuthi khasha njengoba ubona ke siloku sehla ngomgwaqo sizama ke ukukhombisa umbukele esekhaya isimo ukuthi ke siqala ke ukuba manzonzo ngoba nomphakathi ke uyasho ukuthi ke awukuthandi lokhu ke okwenzeka la njengoba ke iCity Power ke evele nje wabuya ke wazoqabula ke amakhebula kagesi.
Izinkulungwane zabazali besezivele ke zilindele ngaphambi kokuvula kohlelo lwa-online lokubhalisela abafundi abazobe benza ugrade 1 kanye nograde 8 ngonyaka ozayo. Owengamele ezemfundo eGauteng uMatome Chilwane ulwethule ngokusemthethweni lolu hlelo kwesinye sezikhungo zokusiza abazali.
3, 2, 1 and switch on.
Abazali abakhathazekile bese bevele belinde ngasemnyango waleli holo amahora ngaphambi kokuvulwa kohlelo lokubhalisa lwango-2026. Abanye bahlanganyele kwesinye sezikhungo ezivulelwe ukuhlinzeka abazali ngosizo eGarankuwa. Labazali bathi bazizwa kangcono emva kokusizwa owengamele umnyango wezemfundo.
So positive that the school that I've choose, it will be the school that will be admitted to my child.
I don't have any anxiety. I hope for the best for my kids.
Overall, I was happy with everything, but I'll be happier if my child is placed at Garankuwa Primary. Otherwise, I'm sleeping at the MEC's office in January.
Umnyango ujwayele ukubhekana nengqinamba yesibalo esiphezulu sabafundi abaqhamuka kuleli nasemazweni angomakhelwane. Lokhu kuholela ekutheni ezinye izingane zigcine zingazitholi izikhala ezikoleni zakulesifundazwe. Umnyango uthi uzilungiselele ngokwanele futhi ukulungele ukusiza abazali.
The system looks at that first. It looks at obviously South African children, and then it looks at other children from foreign national countries.
Ushilwane uthi uhlelo lokubhalisa lwa online luzovalwa ekuphelweni kwaNcwaba futhi ngeke siphinde selulu lesikhathi.
Ezinye zezakhamuzi zaseMthatha e-Eastern Cape bezikhoseliswe kwesinye sezikole emva kokuhlasela kwezikhukhula zikhala ngokuthi asisanekiwe uhulumeni.
Lamaxhobe ezikhukhula anyamezele imeko ezimaqongo emva kokugxothwa kwawo esikolweni phezolo. Bathi imeko yale holo ayinyamezeleki. Abahlali abachaphazelekileyo banexhala lempilo nokhuseleko lwabo. Kwaye bathi baziva bengananzwanga bekwajongelwe phantsi ngabasemagunyeni.
Ibhlungu kakhulu into esenziwa ngumasipala. Kutheni masipala esenza kanje? Kutheni esithatha njengabantu abangabalekanga empilweni yakhe?
Ukanti nenkonde ezinezigulo zazo kuye kwafuneka zilale phantsi kuloo ngqele. Simemelela abasemagunyeni ukuba bakhawulezisa inkqubo yokufuduselwa kwizindlu zethutyana.
Nathi ke sibadala mhlawumbe ke sifumane i-counselling siyekwe nje. Andiyazi nyani noba ngu-KSD noba ngu-Artambo lo uwiki intoni kwenzeka ntoni.
Iinzame zombutho ngenza inzuzo zokubahlangula zizise umtye kula maxhoba. Kungoku nje basaxhwarhiswe kwindawo yethutyana ekhuselekileyo nenesidima.
Imeko yethu irayithi ayifani tu kuneyayizolo and asiyindawo apha yona nandawo esinohlala kuyo le kunalaa ndawo besisiwe kuyo emaholweni eSlovo kusithiwa kuka-Ward 12.
We had to respond because of i-safety yabo kuqala because siyayazi laa ndawo i-crime khona iphezulu kakhulu. Two, we have to respond kule nto ye-hygiene indawo bahleli kuyo because kukhona abantwana abancinci apha.
Urhulumente nenkosi basathethana ngokukhulula umhlaba wokwakhela la maxhoba izindlu. Kwiindaba ze-SABC ndingufundiswa Mhlekude eMthatha.
Bukela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu. Bukele sizibeka lapho bese kuphathela zona uzakwethu bayeza nezindaba ngolwimi lesiNdebele emakugamanxa ihora lesihlanu ntambama. Thina ke siyabuya ke ngehora lesikhombisa ke kusihlwa mbukeli usale kahle.